right, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're at. It's New Year's Day 2021, and we are here waiting for a lechon.
Happy New Year!
Which this looks to be it. Yep, here you go.
Magkano, Dang?
Anyways, the lechon just arrived. If you don't know what a lechon is, it's basically a roasted pig. And we ordered that specifically for New Year's Day. And we have family and friends over here that are going to help us eat it. So, let's take a look at what we got going on here.
Hi!
How's it going, guys?
Hello! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Dito na lang, Dang.
What's his name, James? Alright, I guess we're gonna unwrap this thing, right? Alright, we got the lechon. Now, what are we doing here, hon? Happy New Year's, hon.
Happy New Year, hon. I'm making some butter.
Some batter?
Yeah, for the wrapper.
Oh, you said batter before. I thought you said butter. I was like, that doesn't look like butter.
For my...
Miscommunication.
Yeah.
So what do we got? Pancit?
Pancit, sotang.
Lechon inside. We gotta cut that bad boy open. We'll get that on video later.
Yeah.
Lumpia, of course, gotta have lumpia.
Egg roll.
Goes without saying. Yeah, egg rolls. Most people nowadays know what lumpia is. If you don't, learn.
If you don't, then you're from another planet.
Yeah, get on a plane and come to the Philippines and learn what lumpia is. I learned at a very young age. Here's our new cutting board. It's like a big piece of wood. Cut from a tree. It's awesome though. There's the pancit. Of course, lots of it. Gotta have it. And Marlon, who just loves to be on video. And we got James. Happy New Year's, James. Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's, James. Good to see you. Thanks for coming. And we got everything out here. Got the scooter uncovered, out of the way. Yeah. New Year's 2021. Everything's shaping up. Yeah, I think we got some Mary Poppins going on here. Hot day watching Mary Poppins. Anyways, there's a lechon all covered up. We'll come back and take a look at what's underneath the covers here in a little while. So stay tuned. Alright, hon. You want to explain what you got going on here?
I'm making fresh lumpia.
Fresh lumpia?
Yeah.
So no deep fry, just fresh.
Yes.
All the way.
This one have sauce also. We have sauce.
So what's in there? Romaine lettuce?
Romaine lettuce, turnip.
Turnip?
Yeah. Turnip.
Oh, by the way, let's see your new tattoo.
Ooh.
Wow, look at that. Yeah. I helped her pick it out. That's all the credit I'll take.
It's so itchy.
Yeah, it's still in the healing process. Well, this looks good. Is there anything we dip this in?
Yeah, there's a dip for this.
Sweet and sour?
Huh?
Sweet and sour or soy sauce?
So maybe just a sweet one.
Okay. Well, everything looks great. Looks like a very well put together New Year's Day meal. Dinner, lunch, whatever. What do these guys got going on? James is helping.
Lumpiang Shanghai.
Does James know how to cook? Does James cook?
James.
Yeah.
James cook.
So someday he'll make a good house husband. His wife will be very thankful. All right. Who's in there? We're spying on you. Okay, the time has come. What's inside the box? We shall see.
Okay.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's the head. I knew it. I knew it. So what we have here, ladies and gentlemen, is a lechon. Roasted pig. Look at that big bastard. Holy shit. Look at that.
Where are we gonna put this?
Right there. Let's take a look at that. Uh-huh. I'll get out of the way here in a second, but yeah, that's it. That's the roasted pig. Looks good. Thank you, Mr. Pig. That looks pretty good.
Alingo. Alingo din tayo din. Hindi. Burias.
What you doing, hon?
I'm making the sauce for the fresh lumpia.
Okay. Hello.
Di ko kabila ito din.
Mulay dito ni Kuya.
Ito lang.
Well,
Lechon looks awesome. Wow. That looks like a master looks like a master of his craft. Looks good. All right, first of all, we have those responsible for this wonderful meal that we have here with no makeup.
never mind.
These beautiful ladies, yeah, these beautiful ladies made it all happen with the food. And we have Kuya Marlon, who cut up the lechon.
Happy New Year.
And Happy New Year. And then James, he coached, just like I did. Why don't you tell us, hon, what we got going on here?
Okay.
Start over here.
This is fresh lumpia.
First lumpia,
And then this is egg roll. Lumpia also.
deep fried lumpia.
Deep fried. This one is for the sauce.
All the
And
sauces.
look at my thing. And this one is igado
Okay.
from together with the lechon.
From inside that guy.
Lechon, yeah. And
Got
then
it.
this one is from this is the
Project mo yan.
Glucose.
sweet glutinous rice.
Glutinous. I said
Yes.
glucose.
The same as this.
Okay.
The same as this.
Awesome.
And then
Nice.
fresh
For salad.
vegetable. Yeah. This sauce is for the lechon.
Okay, that's for the lechon, which Kuya Marlin, he went ahead and skillfully cut that up. So, and then what do we got over here?
And this one, crabs.
Crabs.
Courtesy
Steamed
of
crab.
Arlene and Ryan.
Arlene and Ryan brought
Yeah.
those. Thank you guys. Much appreciated.
Yeah. And then this one is papaya picos.
Papaya picos.
And then
What we
this
got
one
there?
is
Oh, I've seen that before.
coconut buko salad.
Buko salad.
Buko salad
That's kind of like what
from
Nanette was
Arlene.
making.
Oh, yeah,
Nanette was making that
from
in
Arlene.
Seattle.
And then the
Pancit.
pancit,
Okay.
tinorma coquette, and the lechon.
Lechon all
and
cut up.
Blueberry cheesecake.
And blueberry cheesecake, and everything looks absolutely wonderful. So, with that being said, we're gonna dig in.
Okay.
Everybody all together.
Happy New Year!
1, 2, 3. Happy New Year's! All right, take it easy, guys. Bye bye.
Bye-bye!
Happy New Year. Bye bye.